Yep, and that's it. I'm live, and what I'm planning on doing right now is I'm going to clone a game that's one of the top games of 2016. It's called Color Switch. Now, if you're not familiar with it, that's okay. But a lot of people, and actually a lot of my students and friends, have been saying that they want to work on Color Switch and do some kind of a clone and try to improve on the game and make their own for the app stores and the Google Play Store and the iTunes Play Store as well. So what I'm planning to do is get a kickstart for everyone so that you get what it takes to be able to clone the game. And we're going to do this using Unity. Why Unity? Well, for multiple reasons. One, because once it's done with Unity, I'll be able to deploy it in multiple platforms, obviously iPhones, Androids, but also on the web. So that's, again, to get as many target devices as possible. And two, because Unity is great for physics. It's super easy to use physics, especially in 2D.